Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying your phone actually supports wireless charging. This prevents wasted steps. Once confirmed, plug the wireless pad into the correct power adapter. Use the voltage and amperage the manufacturer lists because insufficient power slows or stops charging. Remove any thick cases, metal plates, or cards that block the coil. This reduces heat and alignment problems. Now place your phone on the pad roughly centered, so the coils are near each other, and keep the phone still for a consistent connection. Once the phone is on the pad, make small adjustments. Shift the device a few millimeters toward the center mark, because charging coils must overlap to transfer power efficiently. Make sure software settings allow wireless charging. Disable battery saver if it restricts background charging, and turn off NFC if it causes interference. Keep an eye on the charger LED or the phone's charging icon to confirm power transfer. If the indicator flickers, press the cable and adapter connectors. Loose connections often cause intermittent charging. To finish, check the phone's battery screen to confirm the charging rate and estimated time. Wireless is usually slower than wired, so plan accordingly. If charging fails, try a different USB cable and power adapter, then test another wireless pad to isolate the faulty part. Make sure your phone firmware is current because updates can fix wireless charging bugs. Finally, watch for excess heat. If the phone gets hot, remove the case or reposition the device. Extreme temperatures reduce efficiency and can trigger protection shutdown.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.